Hello everybody. So in this kind of problem I will show you how to convert units, especially distance. So in this problem we have here talks about like a car traveling at 80 miles per hour, and we need to find that velocity in kilometers per hour and also in meters per second. So the first thing you need to know is like the difference between miles and kilometers. And this is like a number that we need to memorize all the time when we have conversions between miles and kilometers. So we can start here plugging our number, which is 80. That means 80 miles over 1 hour times the conversion in kilometers, which means 1.6093 over 1 hour. And because we're not converting hours, we can stop right here, and that is our answer. And also remember our time to plug the units. So the second part of the problem is asking to convert to meters per second. Since we have this here is kilometer per hour, we can use this number to find our meters per second. So we can plug in here this answer, and we now will convert this number, which is in kilometers per hour, in meters per hour. So we need to know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So that means we need to multiply first to 1,000 over 1, which means that is equal 1 kilometer to each 1,000 meters. And then we can convert to hours. And now we have that 1 hour for each 3,600 seconds. And that should be our answer. And here we need to plug in the units too. So basically we just have this simple formula in here so you guys can see. Oops, I'm so sorry. And I will also plug in here the second formula so you can copy. Okay, I hope this makes sense and you guys can understand. Have fun.